Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to solve a geometry problem step by step and find the missing angle x. In this question, we have two triangles, the triangle ABC and the triangle PBC. First, let's take a look at the triangle ABC. We know that the value for angle A is 48 degrees. But for angle B and angle C, we don't have a complete value. Therefore, let's suppose in triangle PBC, the value for angle B is alpha and the value for angle C is beta. Now we can say that in triangle PBC, the value for B is 40 degrees plus alpha and the value for C is 30 degrees plus beta. Now, using the important tool in geometry, we know that adding up the interior angles gives us 180. Therefore, we can write that 48 degrees plus 40 degrees plus alpha plus 30 degrees plus beta gives us 180. Adding up 48 plus 40 plus 30 gives us 118. Now, subtracting 118 from both sides, on the left side, 118 cancels out with 118, and on the right side, 180 minus 118 gives us 62. Therefore, now we know that the sum of alpha plus beta is 62 degrees. Now let's take a look at the triangle PBC. We know that the angle B is alpha and the angle C is beta, and angle P is our missing angle, which is x. Now using the same rule, we know that alpha plus beta plus x gives us 180. Now we know that alpha plus beta gives us 62 degrees. Therefore, adding that into our equation, we can say 62 degrees plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Now subtracting 62 from both sides, on the left side, 62 cancels out with 62, and on the right side, 180 minus 62 gives us 118, and that is the value of x. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.